Flashing firmware used to be a pain, searching for drivers, memorizing complex button shortcuts, and downloading endless desktop apps. Now, say goodbye to the old school hassle. There's absolutely no need to install drivers, flashing software, or configure complex command lines. Simply plug your device in with a standard USB cable. The coolest part is the intelligent auto detection. Once you click Auto Detect, the platform instantly handshakes with your hardware to identify the chip model and architecture. It then immediately filters and displays the exact list of compatible firmware on your screen. No datasheets needed. The system knows your hardware better than you do. More than just a flasher, it's a powerful firmware ecosystem. If you prefer manual exploration, the site offers a highly intuitive dual-category directory. You can search directly by your specific hardware, like M5 stack or Flipper Zero, or browse by hosts, Devboards, and apps. Every major open source firmware is right at your fingertips. Each category comes with detailed device descriptions and flashing guides. Best of all, this ecosystem is continuously growing, with support for even more exciting hardware coming soon. What device or firmware do you want to see supported next? Let me know in the comments below. Your favorite project might just be in the next update. Now, let's jump straight into a real-world test. We'll use the Cardputer ADV as our example. Simply connect and select your device option. And here's the best part. The website will intelligently warn you if certain firmware versions have known bugs and automatically recommend the latest, most stable alternative. It perfectly saves you from potential headaches. Hit flash, let the progress bar run, and it's done in just a moment. What's really interesting is that this platform is specially optimized for PINGEQUA's own development boards. As soon as the Bruce firmware flashing finishes, an one-click configuration option pops up automatically. No tedious manual setup required. Just one click and the configuration applies instantly. Now you can clearly see the side-by-side comparison before and after configuration. It's incredibly seamless and hassle-free.